Samosa, you are under arrest for harming human health. What? I was just being sold here. You caused obesity and illness. I never wanted that. You knowingly damaged people's health. I was made to taste good, not to hurt.
Right now, AI junk food arrest videos are exploding on YouTube Shorts. And I'm not talking about small growth. I'm talking about brand new channels getting thousands, sometimes millions, of views in days. But here's the problem. 99% of creators are doing it completely wrong. They're copying random clips. They're reposting weak prompts. They have zero strategy. And then they wonder why their videos don't go viral. So let me stop you right there. If you think you can just upload AI junk food arrest videos and magically blow up, you're setting yourself up to fail. Because viral success in this niche is not about the video alone. It's about story psychology, retention engineering, emotional triggers, and smart channel branding. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create viral AI junk food arrest videos step by step, the exact prompt structure that makes them cinematic branding tricks that increase your chances of going viral. Even with your first short, and before we create anything, you need to understand why this niche is exploding, because once you understand the psychology behind it, you'll never create low-performing shorts again. Let's break it down. So guys, first of all, you need to go to the master prompt. I will give the link in the description below. I have already prepared a complete master junk food arrest prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, I have clearly defined the task. The task says, create a dark, emotional, cinematic short video where a human-sized anthropomorphic, unhealthy food item is arrested from its real-world origin location for harming human health, then escalated through interrogation and judgment by human-sized healthy food authorities. After that, I added the user inputs. For example, channel branding name. Like my channel branding, Skill with AI. You can change it to your own channel name. Next, I added story dialogue rules. Then I added dialogue limitations. Then I added custom branding badge rules. Then scale and physical interaction rules. Then full story structure. After that, I clearly defined output format, scene flow, and the 5 complete scenes. All 5 scenes are already written inside the master prompt. You can change the food item anytime. You can change the unhealthy food. You can modify dialogues. You are not limited to samosa only. You can use soft drink, you can use pizza, you can use burger, anything you want. So guys, once your master prompt is ready, all you have to do is copy it. Go to ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. That's it. ChatGPT will generate 5 full scenes for you. Each scene will include scene description, image prompt, video prompt, dialogues, everything structured perfectly. Now our 5 scenes are ready. But this is only the first part. The next main step is image generation and video generation. And this part is very important. If you skip any part of this video, you will not properly learn how to create these viral videos. So make sure you watch till the end. Now we are going to generate images using Grok AI. I will give the link in the description. First of all, log in to Grok AI. After logging in, go to Settings and go to Behavior. Turn off Continuous Video Generation. This is very important. Now go to Imagine. After going into Imagine, select the Image section. Then select 9:16 ratio generation. Now go back to ChatGPT from Scene 1. Copy the image prompt. Then paste that prompt into Grok AI. Click Generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. And here is something important. Grok does not generate just one image. It generates multiple variations, sometimes 30 to 40 images at once. You simply select the best one. For example, I like the second one, so I download it. Now again, go to Imagine. Go back to ChatGPT, copy, Scene 2, image prompt, paste it into Grok, click, Generate. If the image is not perfect, generate again. Sometimes I generate 2 or 3 times until I get a perfect cinematic image. Now Scene 2 image is ready. Download it. Repeat the same process for Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5 one by one. Generate all images. Now all 5 images are ready. Now comes the most important part. Video generation. Again, go to the home page, go to Imagine, upload the first image, then select the video section. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 video prompt, paste it into Grok AI, click Generate. Now the video generation has started. You do not need separate voiceover. Generation. The video will generate with cinematic audio style. After waiting a little, your first video is ready. Now repeat the same process. Upload Scene 2 image, copy Scene 2, video prompt, paste, generate, then Scene 3, then Scene 4, then Scene 5, same process every time. Some people make a big mistake here. They generate fully AI-looking robotic videos, and because of that, their channel does not monetize. Listen carefully. This niche is still monetizing, but only if you make it properly. You should not make the video look fully AI-generated. Add some realistic sound effects, add slight editing, add background atmosphere. Make it feel like effort was put into it. Make it look like real cinematic content, not cheap AI content. Right now, this niche is very new. Not many people are using it properly. Some people create multiple channels themselves to avoid competition. But this niche is still monetizing. Just avoid low-effort AI spam. Now, as you can see, all 5 videos are ready. We generated both images and videos using Grok AI. So guys, now we are at the final step, editing. We are going to use Filmora. Filmora is one of the best and most powerful editing tools. After importing them, drag the videos one by one onto the timeline. Place them in order. Scene. 1 scene, 2 scene, 3 scene, 4 scene, 5 now. After placing them on the timeline, you need to adjust the videos. Trim the unnecessary parts. Make sure the timing feels smooth and natural. After adjusting the clips, once everything looks perfect, export the video in 4K resolution. High-quality export increases viewer retention and overall channel professionalism. Now comes the most important growth step, uploading properly. At this stage, you should create a fresh channel for this niche. First, create a strong logo. Create a professional banner. Next, and this is very important, you must set up proper SEO settings for your channel. SEO optimization is the reason some channels grow fast while others never move. If your SEO is weak, then it doesn't matter how many videos you upload, growth will be slow. In the next video, I will show you how to create a new niche channel, how to do full SEO optimization, how to set up branding properly, how to make your channel algorithm-friendly. Now listen carefully. When you start this niche, upload 2 to 3 shorts daily. Be consistent, do this for 1 month, and then watch how your channel starts growing. Consistency plus proper SEO equals growth. If you want a full tutorial on channel SEO settings, comment yes below this video. If I see strong response, I will make the next video covering channel branding, channel creation, complete SEO setup. And if this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.